Hello friends, today we discuss how to create a VI to add a value with every element of an available cluster. So adding numeric to a cluster results in addition of numeric to each element of cluster. For that purpose I just create a cluster, input cluster. So over here this is my blank cluster. I just put numeric to it, another numeric, and I want to just put an integer also, as you see, and I want to put an array also. This is my 2D array, not 2D array, one dimensional array. Okay, so I just arrange it horizontally. As you see, the values are, let's say, 2, 2.5, it is 2.3, this is my 5, and over here 2.8, and this is 8.9. let's say this is my input cluster, which contain different type of data: floating type, integer type, and array. So this is my input cluster, and I want to add a value to these function. For that purpose I just create a numeric, and I want to add this value to all these functions. So over here I got this, and this is my output cluster. So when I hit on run button, as you see over here, let's say it is 10, I want to add 10 to all these values. So when I hit on run button, as you see, 12.3, 12.5, 15, and over here it is, I just increase the size of this, 18.9. So this is how you can perform numeric operations to clusters. So this is my addition. If you want to perform subtraction, let's say this is my input cluster, and I just copy this function, and I want to subtract indicator, and let's say this is the value of subtraction. Let's say I want to subtract 1 from each value, so this will perform x minus 1. So when I hit on run button, as you see, it is 1.3, 1.5, 4, 1.8, 8, 7.9. and if you want to perform division, multiplication, you can perform all these functions. So let's say I want to divide. Again I just copy this, I want to divide this indicator, and over here this is my division, and this is my numeric value. I want to divide it by 2, let's say. So over here 1.15, this is floating type, because over here in this case, as you see, this is my integer, 5 by 2 is 2.5. the output in the case of output is, it is my floating type. Okay, output is floating type. So this is how you can perform different operations for the clusters in LabVIEW. Thank you.